This is my onboarding command center inside of HubSpot. And because of the arrows in HubSpot integration, I can see everything I need to take my customers through their onboarding journey all in one place. The Arrows CRM card is a really quick way to access the plan directly from HubSpot and see progress that a customer is making. And these file and form app cards are directly tied back to the onboarding plan so that as customers upload files or fill out answers in forms, you get all that information right in one place. This is an example of a task inside of Arrows using a form action. When a customer submits their answers, back on the HubSpot side, that form card in this case will now show that answer that the customer just submitted. Now, instead of me having to ask that question, write down the answer, and copy my notes into HubSpot, all of that is done for me the second the customer submits the form. And if I need to quickly access that task inside of a plan, I can just click on it directly from that card as well, and it'll open that task for me right inside of HubSpot. And the cherry on top is if anyone else in your company also needs access to that information, they don't need to send you a Slack message or email. They can also access this all right on that record. So stop wasting precious time digging through download folders and email threads looking for answers when you can sync Arrows in HubSpot and have most of the work done for you. So set up your own onboarding command center and happy onboarding.